Hey grill masters and backyard barbecue enthusiasts, today I am on a mission. My bottomless pit of a husband loves his veggies. We are obsessed with grilled zucchini. I just shared a recipe for smoked zucchini, so today we are making grilled zucchini kebabs on the Weber Spirit 2 gas grill. I'm going to show you start to finish how to impact them with tons and tons of flavor. You'll be a grill master of the hour when you make these, so grab your tongs and let's get grilling. Make these skewers of grilled Italian zucchini kebabs with any sort of vegetables you'd like. The ones I'm choosing for this recipe video are going to show you veggies that will cook really well together. And the first stop to ensure success is to, well, first off, you want to soak your skewers if you're using wooden ones. And then you want to chop off the vegetable stems, cut the zucchini and yellow squash into 1/2-inch discs to make them perfectly bite-sized pieces. I also like to slice up peppers and onions into 2 to 3-inch chunks and definitely make sure to separate out those onion layers. And now I really want you to try this yummy marinade. Use any sort of herbs. I have my Arrow garden here, which was plentiful in fresh basil. So in a large bowl, I whisked together all the Italian marinade ingredients. I started with 1 cup fresh basil, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1/2 a lemon juiced, some garlic sea salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of that, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper. Mix all of that together with 3 tablespoons olive oil, and then it's time to get your veggies in there. Ideally, you want to whisk this all together, and then you want to add the kebab vegetables to the marinade. Toss them, coat them all over with the seasonings, really make sure to get them all seasoned, and marinate them for 30 minutes. I like to do this on the counter because for me there's no reason to cool off the veggies again. Bringing them up to room temperature makes it easier for them to grill to perfection. And so I'm going to show you how to skewer these up and get them on the grill with 2 different heating methods. Use either metal kebab skewers or pre-soaked in water skewers, and thread the veggies onto the skewers. Mix up the order so it looks like a little veggie rainbow. Leave 2 inches open on either side of the skewers so you're able to handle them on the grill. You don't want to lose any precious kebabs while they grill. These veggie kebabs are going to cook up in about 10 to 15 minutes, so plan grilling your proteins accordingly. You probably want to throw on any steaks or chicken first. So what's going to happen here is that you're going to prepare the grill by brushing it with oil if you'd like, though the marinade usually does a good job for me to prevent the veggies from sticking. Set 1 burner on the gas grill to medium heat, and the others are going to stay off initially, because what you're looking for is indirect heat. So place the skewers on the grill grates where there isn't a flame directly beneath them. Close the grill cover and let them cook for 6 minutes away from the direct flame. This is like a warm-up session for the veggies. Then you want to grill the kebabs over direct heat, so that means open the grill and move the skewers directly over the medium heat flame, or turn on a couple other flames right below them. And leave the cover off while you rotate the skewers every 1 to 2 minutes. You want to keep an eye on them. We want them browned and slightly charred on the outside, but not incinerated. This should not take much more than 5 to 10 minutes until they're perfectly grilled kebabs. So final touch, I like to serve up zucchini kebabs, warm right off the grill, but they're really good room temperature. You could also take them off the skewers and put together a little zucchini salad, add some fresh burrata cheese like I did in the smoked zucchini video. So, this is just either eat them as they are or use this as a springboard for something else. These are so good. Whoops, you definitely want to grab them by the middle and not the edge. So anyways, you have a wonderful time grilling these up. Grab some of my other favorite grill marinades and techniques at SipBiteGo.com, and there you will also find my new free barbecue ebook that you can get today. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!